So we love ControlOne because it effortlessly and seamlessly lets us connect and manage across all of our clients, all of their locations, and even follow them home from work with like a magic protective bubble that keeps them secure everywhere that they go. So the chances of somebody clicking on something accidentally go dramatically down because it's always on zero trust security. We see ControlOne as a differentiator because we're able to reach out into different verticals and meet them where they are. Finance, for example, we're starting to make big inroads with community banks in Georgia and have three or four pretty large deals for ripping and replacing their legacy site-to-site VPN and client VPN infrastructure, as well as taking over some of their carrier accounts as well. So we've been able to land expand in different industries, but then also by bringing in ControlOne, we're also able to expand across multiple parts of our stack. Yeah, if you're still confused about SASE and what it is and how it's effective, I would ask for a trial and experience it yourself, because I mean it's super simple. Lots of features, but the interface is almost deceptively simple in terms of being able to quickly roll out bridges or agents, configure all your networks, and work securely.